Hey my friends, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. Gonna be a little bit more noise in the background today. It is freezing here, so we got the heaters going, so please bear with us. We have the official Snap-on February marketing kit here, so let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. A little bigger box than normal. Kind of excited to see what's all in here. So we have our receipt backers, 2, 4, 5 bundles of receipt backers. 2019 DVD for February. Here's our bundles of flyers. We each get 2 bundles per dealer, so that's why I do these videos, because there's not enough of these really to go around. That way you can kind of see what's in there. And our van dangler signs that we'll hang up in here as well. That, my friends, is this whole box. Let's get into the flyers. Dream Drive. You guys getting into the Dream Drive? Getting some tickets put in there? You're gonna see it as I see it. We're gonna pull this out right now. This is it. The February 2019 Snap-on Hot Tools Dream Drive, bring home your ultimate ride. So this is pretty cool. I did a video about this for our 2019 kickoff that talks about the winnings and stuff in here. So open it up. We got some more information on the Dream Drive. So they're gonna award 3 different people $30,000 to spend at the Mecum Auto Auction. Plus, whoever wins, their dealer also gets to go. So the dealers are really pushing you guys. Get them tickets entered in. Go online, enter that code in, because if you win, the dealer wins as well. So we have page 4 here. New products to make you more productive. We have the 4-piece heavy-duty pick set. There's a 45, a straight, a 90, and then the hook on there. 6-inch blade on there, so get in there a little better. We got a price of $71.95 is the price that's advertised there. As soon as I get these in digital print, I'll put them on Instagram and on my Facebook. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat. I don't do a whole lot on there, but it's a little extra. We got a 14.4 volt battery pack floodlight. So use your existing 14.4 volt battery into this floodlight. Up to 15 hours on low, 3 hours on high. Works with our battery packs, and you guys have extra ones of them, so it's always nice that you got one charged up. Lasts you the whole day. It's got a hinged design for 120 degrees of adjustment, variable brightness, and a magnet at the bottom. That one is $87. So these flyers are for this north central region. Your region might be a little bit different, but we'll put them out there as well. Get instant rebates up to $5,000 off your purchase. On contracts of $3,000 or more, you could qualify for a rebate. And then the more you spend, the more you get off right away. Also keep in mind, they do for technicians 90 days same as cash. So let's say you don't want to pay any finance charges, you could finance, take the rebate, and then pay that off as well. If you're a shop owner, you get up to 6 months same as cash, do the same exact thing, pay no interest. The featured products, we have the Zeus workstation, the Apollo, or the Zeus itself. Gets you a little bit of extra jack in there. So let's say you bought a toolbox, you'd be up to $4,000 rebate. But if you bought one of the featured products, you could get up to an extra $1,000 for that $5,000 rebate. Let's turn her to page 6. There we go. Holy man. Wrenches, wrenches, wrenches. Get your hands on a grip and sip offer. So you got your 9-piece, 12-point flank drive short, 10-degree offset box wrench. That's a lot to say. Then there's an 8-piece metric, 10-piece, 12-point metric flank drive short combination wrench set, or the 9-piece SAE. And then we have the angle wrenches over here as well. And get yourself a 4-pack of color changing mugs. Woohoo! Limited time deals up next. The PTS 1000, I'm guessing. Yep. We got the different blades that are available in there. Should be a 18, 24, and 32. 18, 24, oh, and a 14. Wow. 18, 14, and a 24. And then we have the smaller Blue Point version. So the PTS 1000 is $349. The Blue Point one is $193. Biggest difference is the PTS 1000 can run the big, like 6-inch blades and the smaller blades as well, whereas the Blue Point one is just set up for the smaller blades. So you have to decide which style works best for you. So we got $193 on the Blue Point one. The cordless one will take the larger blades as well, and they have a cordless saw kit here. 501, 2 batteries, charger, the tool, you get a bag with it as well. And then looks like they got some deals on all the different blades on here as well. Essentials to finish the job safely. Some safety glasses and gloves. Don't forget that stuff. Speaking of safety, man, stay safe out there with this cold weather we got. I know we're talking 50, 55 degrees below zero with the wind chill around here. Keep bundled up, stay inside if you can. Unreachable, no such thing. Buy one, get one. So buy the 6-point 1/4-inch drive, 6-piece metric flank drive shallow sockets. Buy them, get the extensions. Or buy the 6-piece SAE set, get the extensions. And then over here we have buy the 12-piece metric semi-deep sockets and get one of these ratchets of your choice. Now them are going to be a pretty limited deal on which ratchets are available, so if this is something that you're looking for, let your dealer know right away that you're interested in that. Them semi-deeps are awesome. So that set I believe is 5 to 15, including the 5.5 in there. Get up to $100 trade-in. We got some colored PT850 1/2-inch impacts. They're $614. You can get up to $100 off, bring it down to $514. This is 1,190 foot-pounds of torque out of these air impacts. Nice high visibility colors on there. We got another buy one, get one free down below. 7-piece, the metric swivel sockets, the impact sockets. Buy them, get the standards for free. So it's a 7-piece and a 7-piece. And them are 1/2-inch drive. So it runs 507 for the one set. The other set is 466. You get them free. Look at me saving you guys some money. You guys staying warm out there? The heaters are just cranked in my warehouse and in here trying to keep up. ProLink Ultra. You work on big heavy duty stuff, they have the ProLink Ultra kits. You can see all the different colors available. Works just like the Zeus workstation as far as you have the unit inside. It's a slide top with a monitor up top there. So normally $16,900 for the whole setup, $13,995. Now keep in mind you also can qualify for that 90 days same as cash or the 6 months same as cash depending on your situation, and get the rebates as well. So bring that price down maybe even a little bit further for you. So it's a bad time for this. We got AC systems. But why not jump on it? You know, come June, July, August, when everybody wants one of these things, then you can't get the dang things. When it's cold out, that's when the deals are. So we have our Polartec dual AC machine. So this is a 134 and the 1234. One machine. It's got dual hose setups in there so that you can hook up whichever style that you need. Dual gauges for the different styles. This side's 134, the other side's the 1234. Check with your dealer. There's a bunch of information online on these. I think I did in one of my training videos, I showed one of these up front. That was probably, well, like March of last year. Then the back page, we got some, looks like 68-inch Epics in some cool colors. If you, this one that says, get a quote, and people say, well, how much are they? My video I did about Master Series and Epics, is it worth more stepping into an Epic? I think these list about 140 or something like that. It was a list price online. So, different trim and color setups. We got the orange and black, green. That's pretty hot looking, the flat black with the orange. I kind of like that teal with the white. A lot of people say white is hard to keep clean. I don't know. Is a white car harder to keep clean than a black car? You know, that's up to you. Let me know what your favorite colors are. Let me know if you're staying warm. That's the big thing that's going on right now, because we are freezing here today. That's about all I got for you guys. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Me and Track Dog got to get all the way across town to our house so we can warm up and maybe play some Black Ops. On that note, I appreciate you guys spending some time with me, so have a good night.